Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable spec selection on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the selection or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do in first, you just click on settings here. So when you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you click here on accessibility here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on spoken content, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. So you come here to spec selection here, clicking this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that means spec selection enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.